So the important point here to consider is there are billions of babies, billions of births that are happening. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the only one who shapes us, who gives us the look the way he likes. And he's the best of the creator and he's the best of the artist. We can see the perfection in our bodies that is already there. La ilaha illa huwal azizul hakim. There is no God except him. He's almighty, all wise. He is designing all of us tall, short, dark, fair, with all the features that we have. We have all similarities. We all have both 2 hands, 2 legs, one head, 1 heart, 1 brain, all of these things, but yet we are different. There are so many similarities, yet there are so many differences. All of us have a different DNA and genome and all of this study that science has done to see how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created this amazing being. So even if for us to believe that there is a beautiful creator and an artist, only the process of seeing the baby development. So here, the image that I'm showing you, these are different stages of baby development. The first image is the numbers are in number of weeks. So in the first 4 weeks, this is the shape and size of the baby. And then in the first, after 8 weeks, 12 weeks, 16, 20, 24, 28, and you can find a lot of scientific imagery and details about it. I just wanted to visualize and show this to you guys, this amazing phenomena of how a baby develops every week inside the womb of a mother, how the baby is nourished via the mother. So it's not the baby, mother is not like feeding him, right? So mother herself is eating. And if you see this small cord here in front, this cord attaches the baby with the mother. And whatever the mother is eating, all the nice nutrients, the vitamins, everything, the proteins, everything that is needed for the baby is getting transferred from inside the mother to the baby. And then the baby continues to develop. And then, things continue to evolve. Now science is finding all of these details, while Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has already revealed it to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in his book of guidance.